So the appointment form is a great feature which you can add to your app for people who need to book an appointment for a certain service, whether it be a dental checkup, a hair salon, restaurant, VIPs for a certain nightclub. I mean, the list sort of goes on. So for this example, you could just put something simply like book dental checkup today. Center it. You can bold it if you want. You can change the colors. And then you have a thank you page text. That'll be the thank you message they'll receive whenever they make their appointment. We'll get back to you ASAP to confirm your appointment. Okay, and then the email too, so you can put in your clients at email.com here, and you can list different emails. You just need to separate them via a comma. And then the from name, so you could put in business name here. And then when you've done that, you'll see advanced editing options. So let's say you are building an app for someone from Spain. Well, you don't want to have all Spanish or have all English buttons. You'd want to have Spanish buttons in. So you just replace that with the local language. And you can click save. And then we'll update and preview, and I will show you this in real time. Let's just go back to the appointment form. We'll click on edit. And then we'll go down to the appointment form here. So you can see there, book your next dental checkup today, name, email, appointment date, time, where they can select the time, select their date, they can put in any comments if they need. And if I change this, I'll just make an example. Put in some French. Update and preview, and then I will show you how it allows you to build apps for any country, any business in the world. So you can see here, new field, and then the confirm button says we. Look at the advanced editing options, new field, we, and you can see there. Now, here's the process of what happens. Whenever they submit this appointment form, what happens is our white labeled mail server, it's myappmanagement.com, it emails this email with the appointment booking, and then they can get that email and they just reply to that user, because they'll have their email, they'll have possibly their phone number as well. And then they can just reply to that email and confirm the booking. So once again, if a user has this app on their phone and they go to book their next dental checkup, they'll enter in their details, they'll send it. Then your client just needs to get their email from the email that they receive from us and confirm the booking with them. So it's easy for you when you're selling your app. And they'll ask you, so how does the appointment form work? All you say is once they fill in these details, you'll get it to your email. You just need to get their email and contact them back, or contact them via the phone just to confirm their appointment. And it works incredibly well. And when you have the ability to edit all the fields, it means it gives you unlimited options for who you can build an app for and what country. So we have several members from Spain, Portugal, Denmark, Sweden. So that's why this feature's in, to allow you to target businesses in your own country where you speak the lingo, because it just makes it that much easier to close a sale, which I will have discussed in the SMB course, which you'll find in the Academy.